The Amazon, a name that evokes images of vast, untamed wilderness. Stretching across 9 countries in South America, the Amazon basin is a realm of unparalleled biodiversity and natural beauty. It is a place where the wild reigns supreme and nature's wonders are on full display, a river that carves its way through the heart of a continent. The Amazon River, with its countless tributaries, forms a complex network of waterways that sustain the life of the rainforest. It is a lifeline for countless species, both plant and animal, that depend on its waters for survival. A rainforest so immense it can be seen from space. The Amazon basin covers approximately 7 million square kilometers, making it one of the most significant and expansive ecosystems on the planet. Its vast canopy is a green ocean, teeming with life and mystery. The Amazon basin is a land of superlatives. It is not just the largest rainforest on Earth, but also one of the most vital. Its dense foliage and diverse habitats are home to an astonishing array of flora and fauna, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. It is the largest rainforest on Earth, covering an area twice the size of India. This immense forest plays a crucial role in the global ecosystem, acting as a giant carbon sink that helps to mitigate climate change by absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. It is home to 10% of the world's known species. From the elusive jaguar to the vibrant macaw, the Amazon is a sanctuary for wildlife. Its rivers teem with fish, its trees are alive with the calls of birds, and its forest floor is a bustling world of insects and small mammals. And it plays a vital role in regulating the global climate. The Amazon's trees release oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide, making it a critical component in the fight against global warming. The rainforest's ability to store carbon helps to stabilize the Earth's climate and weather patterns. The Amazon River, the lifeblood of this ecosystem, is a force of nature. It flows over 6,400 kilometers from the Andes Mountains to the Atlantic Ocean, carrying more water than any other river on Earth. Its powerful currents shape the landscape and provide a habitat for countless species. It carries more water than any other river on Earth. The sheer volume of water it transports is staggering, accounting for about 1/5 of the world's total river flow. This immense flow supports the rich biodiversity of the region and sustains the livelihoods of millions of people. Its tributaries snake through the forest, connecting distant corners of this watery world. These smaller rivers and streams create a vast network that nourishes the land and its inhabitants, linking ecosystems and communities in a delicate balance of life. The Amazon rainforest is often called the lungs of the Earth. This is because it plays a crucial role in absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Trees, through photosynthesis, absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. They use this carbon to grow, locking it away in their wood, leaves and roots. The Amazon is a carbon sink, absorbing millions of tons of carbon dioxide each year. This process helps to regulate the Earth's climate, mitigating the effects of global warming. However, this vital function is under threat. Deforestation is reducing the Amazon's capacity to absorb carbon. This has dire consequences for the planet. The Amazon rainforest is a biodiversity hotspot, often referred to as the lungs of the Earth due to its vast capacity to produce oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide. This immense forest spans over 5.5 million square kilometers, covering parts of 9 countries in South America. It is home to an astonishing array of plants and animals, many of which are found nowhere else on the planet. The Amazon's dense foliage and unique climate create a perfect environment for life to flourish in myriad forms. 1 in 10 known species on Earth can be found here, making it one of the most biologically diverse regions on the planet. This includes over 40,000 plant species, 1,300 bird species, 3,000 types of fish, 430 mammals, and a staggering 2.5 million different insects. From jaguars prowling the forest floor to monkeys swinging through the canopy, the Amazon teems with life. Each layer of the forest, from the dark understory to the sunlit canopy, hosts its own unique community of organisms. The Amazon teems with life, and this incredible biodiversity is not just a spectacle for the eyes. It plays a crucial role in maintaining the health and stability of the global ecosystem. This biodiversity is not just a spectacle. The plants and animals of the Amazon contribute to the balance of the ecosystem, regulating the climate, purifying water, and providing resources for countless species, including humans. It is essential for the health of the ecosystem. The interdependence of species means that the loss of one can affect many others, disrupting the delicate balance that has developed over millions of years. Each species plays a role in the intricate web of life. From the smallest insects to the largest predators, every organism has a part to play in the complex interactions that sustain the rainforest. The loss of even a single species can have ripple effects throughout the ecosystem. This can lead to unforeseen consequences, such as the collapse of food webs and the loss of ecosystem services that are vital for human survival. Scientists are still discovering new species in the Amazon. Each discovery adds to our understanding of this complex ecosystem and highlights the importance of preserving it for future generations. This highlights the importance of protecting this irreplaceable ecosystem. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure that the Amazon continues to thrive, providing essential services to the planet and maintaining its unparalleled biodiversity. For thousands of years, indigenous peoples have called the Amazon rainforest home. They have lived in harmony with nature, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of the forest. Their knowledge of the rainforest is unparalleled. They have developed sustainable ways of life that respect the delicate balance of the ecosystem. These communities possess a wealth of knowledge about the medicinal properties of plants. They understand the behavior of animals, and they have developed sustainable agricultural practices. Their wisdom is invaluable in our efforts to protect the Amazon. Section 5. The sound of the axe, deforestation and its consequences. The Amazon rainforest is facing an unprecedented crisis: deforestation. This vast and vibrant ecosystem, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, is being systematically destroyed at an alarming rate. The Amazon is home to millions of species of plants and animals, many of which are found nowhere else on the planet. Yet every year, thousands of square kilometers of this precious forest are lost. Driven by logging, mining and agriculture, vast swathes of forest are being cleared every year. Logging companies cut down trees for timber, mining operations strip the land for valuable minerals, and agricultural expansion converts forest land into fields for crops and livestock. These activities not only remove trees, but also disrupt the delicate balance of the ecosystem. This destruction has devastating consequences. The removal of trees leads to soil erosion, which can cause landslides and reduce the land's fertility. Without the forest to act as a buffer, local climates can become more extreme, with hotter temperatures and less predictable rainfall patterns. Deforestation releases massive amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, accelerating climate change. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, playing a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. When they are cut down and burned, the stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere, contributing to the greenhouse effect and global warming. It destroys habitats, pushing countless species towards extinction. Many animals and plants rely on the forest for shelter, food and breeding grounds. When their habitat is destroyed, they are forced to move, often into areas where they cannot survive. This loss of biodiversity weakens the entire ecosystem, making it more vulnerable to disease and further environmental changes, and it displaces indigenous communities, robbing them of their homes and livelihoods. Indigenous people have lived in harmony with the Amazon for thousands of years, relying on the forest for food, medicine and cultural practices. Deforestation not only destroys their environment, but also threatens their way of life and their very survival. The consequences of deforestation are not just local. The Amazon plays a critical role in the global climate system, influencing weather patterns and helping to regulate temperatures around the world. The loss of this forest could have far-reaching effects, from more severe storms and droughts to rising sea levels and disrupted agricultural production. They are felt around the world. The impact of deforestation in the Amazon is a global issue, affecting everyone on the planet. From the air we breathe to the stability of our climate, the health of the Amazon is intrinsically linked to our own well-being. The loss of the Amazon rainforest would have a devastating impact on the global climate and biodiversity. It is imperative that we take action to protect this vital ecosystem, not only for the sake of the countless species that call it home, but also for the future of our planet. The time to act is now, before it is too late. Section 6. A glimmer of hope: conservation efforts in the Amazon. Despite the challenges, there is hope for the Amazon. Governments, organizations, and individuals are working tirelessly to protect this vital ecosystem. Conservation efforts range from creating protected areas to promoting sustainable livelihoods for local communities. Some successes are being witnessed. Deforestation rates have slowed in recent years. New protected areas are being established, and there is a growing awareness of the importance of the Amazon. However, the fight is far from over. Section 7. The global impact: why we should all care. The Amazon rainforest may seem like a world away, but its fate is inextricably linked to our own. The Amazon plays a vital role in regulating the global climate. It provides us with clean air and water. And it is home to countless species that are essential for the health of the planet. What happens in the Amazon affects us all. Deforestation has far-reaching consequences, contributing to climate change, biodiversity loss, and even the emergence of new diseases. Section 8. A call to action: protecting our shared future. Protecting the Amazon rainforest is not just the responsibility of a few, it is a global imperative that requires collective action. We must act now to protect this vital ecosystem for future generations. We can all play a role in this effort. By reducing our consumption, supporting sustainable products, and raising awareness, we can help to create a future where the Amazon rainforest continues to thrive. The time for action is now. The fate of the Amazon, and indeed the planet, hangs in the balance. Section 9. Beyond conservation: redefining our relationship with nature. Protecting the Amazon is not just about conservation. It is about redefining our relationship with nature. It is about recognizing that we are part of nature, not separate from it. And it is about understanding that our well-being is inextricably linked to the health of the planet. The Amazon rainforest is a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. It is a call to action to protect our planet, not just for ourselves, but for all living things.